warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let me check your attendance. Yeah, if you attend this class, please raise your hand. Okay, Leah,
Here.
Siti, here. Okay, and let's pray together first before we start our lesson with President Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, today we would like to tell about narrative text, the song story of my life. Yeah. Do you ever hear about this song
Yes.
from One Direction?
Yeah.
Oke. Tujuan pembelajaran kali ini, Miss ingin kalian setelah pembelajaran kalian mampu mengidentifikasi struktur naratif teks seperti orientation, complication, resolution dalam lirik lagu tersebut, ya. Kemudian kalian dapat menganalisis konflik, alur dan pesan moral dari lagu sebagai naratif teks. Kemudian menjelaskan language features naratif teks yang muncul dalam lirik lagu, menyusun ringkasan cerita berdasarkan alur pada lagu dan menyampaikan interpretasi pribadi tentang pesan lagu secara lisan ataupun tertulis. Kemudian pernahkah kalian terbesit ya, masa sih lagu itu bisa mengandung naratif teks? Pernah? Oke, sebelumnya mari kita bahas narrative text. Yeah. What is narrative text is? So, narrative text is a type of text that aims to tell entertain story for readers, yeah, for a moral message through a sequence of events. And narrative text can be real stories, fiction, legends, fables on personal experiences. And for example of narrative text, there are fairy tales such as Cinderella, Snow White, and little legends such as Malin Kundang, Tangkuban Perahu, and fables, The Lion and the Mouse, or mythic stories and personal stories. Yeah. So, narrative text itu tujuannya untuk menghibur pembaca melewati cerita dan memberikan pesan moral kepada pembaca. Ya. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Oke, sebelum kita lanjut ke language feature dan generic structure, please move forward. Please stand up. All of you. Stand up. Yes. Please move forward here. Yes. Make a circle. Please. Okay. I will give you instruction. If I say jump in, you must jump. Yes. And jump out, you must. Okay. Jump left. Jump left. Jump right. Okay. With pegangan tangan.
Oh.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Okay, thank you so much. And then the generic structure of narrative text. There are three generic structures. What is? And what are?
Orientation, complication, and resolution.
Can you read the orientation? What the orientation is?
Introduce the characters, set the setting, provide an initial overview of the story.
Yeah, and then for complication, Sani, can you answer what the complication is?
Content problem or conflict that occur to the characters.
Can you tell me what the example for the complication?
The characteristic of complication problems arise. There are changes in the situation, or tension areas. For example, Malin Kundang refused to recognize his mother.
Okay, thank you. And for resolution, the section contains the resolution of the conflict. Yeah, it means the end of the story. Okay. For example, the prince married Cinderella and they lived happily ever after. Oh ya, resolution itu bisa jadi ada tiga ya, ada positif yang biasanya happy ending, terus negatif apa kalau negatif?
Sad ending.
Terus kalau open ended?
Read, interpret,
Iya, itu berarti apa?
gantung.
Gantung. Berarti kesimpulannya itu menurut kalian sendiri.
Harus ada part 2-nya biasanya.
Iya. Kemudian untuk language features ada berapa?
6.
Ada 6. First one
Past tense.
and the five.
Direct speech.
Direct speech.
Okay, the second one.
Time connectors.
Temporal sequence.
Time connectors or temporal sequence. Can you tell what example?
Once upon a time, then suddenly, one day, finally, before, after.
Okay, and then there are action verb and descriptive language. Yeah. For action verb, for example, run, go, wolf, and so on. For descriptive language, yeah, beautiful princess, dark place, and etc. So you can see, as you can see, yeah, this is song in the. This is example, yeah, for narrative text, yeah. Which one the orientation?
First
First paragraph.
And then resolution, which one?
Last paragraph.
And complication.
Second,
In the middle.
Okay, can you tell me what the aims for this story? Snow White?
Yeah.
Do you ever hear or do you ever read about this story?
Yeah.
Coba ceritakan gimana sih ceritanya Snow White itu? Snow White itu putri yang sangat cantik, ya kan?
Yeah.
And then ketemu Oke, sekarang Miss akan kasih kalian lembar jawab, lembar pertanyaan, lembar soal. Nanti kalian analisis ya. Saya akan show the song also. Please listen carefully.